As a thank you for supporting me for 6 years of gear reviews and to promote my new YouTube channel, I plan on starting to do periodic travel backpack giveaways. These are bags I've reviewed on my YouTube channel but are still in good condition and are either older models or out of production. This week I'll be giving away the MEC or MEC Vapour Overnighter bag that I reviewed on my channel about 4 years ago, which I'll include a link to in the description below. This has a virtually waterproof, durable fabric, YKK AquaGuard zippers. It has a clamshell style opening with 2 zipper compartments on each side, similar in style to bags like the Cotopaxi Alpa. This is a large, durable, yet simple backpack with a minimalist carry system that's no longer in production. I'm giving these bags away for several reasons. First, I want to bring attention to a new YouTube channel that I started called One Bag Walking, where I show you different locations around the world in a first-person narrative setting. I travel a lot and I thought this would be a perfect way to show off some great cities and locations while promoting the minimalist travel ethos. This is a new format for me, so I'd love feedback and suggestions. I've only posted 4 videos so far, but I have many more filmed and I'll be releasing those as I have time to edit them. I started this channel in 2018 as a way to test out bags and ideally find the perfect carry-on, but because of all the support and encouragement, it slowly evolved into a 6+ year project. I also have a ton of gear I've been collecting over the years. My house is starting to fill up with travel backpacks, and while I love keeping awesome bags like the Vapour Overnighter, it's time to start giving some of them away. For the rules, all I ask to enter this backpack giveaway is to subscribe to both my channels, One Bag Travels Here, my new channel, One Bag Walking, watch the most recent video I posted about Guanajuato, make a comment, which I'll include a link to in the description below. I'll let this run for 7 days. At the end of next week, I'll randomly draw a name from a comment on the One Bag Walking Guanajuato video, and I'll let you know that you've won by replying to your comment. If I haven't heard back after 2 days, I'll go on to the next winner. I'll cover shipping costs, so this will be totally free for you. However, I'd like to keep this to people located in the contiguous United States to make the shipping process easier. So that's it. Subscribe to both my channels and comment on the Guanajuato video that I'll post a link to in the description below. And again, thank you for all your support.